July 30th, the archive turns another page. We start in 2022, when the host was watching CNN go to Wyoming to ask voters if they were going to vote for Liz Cheney, noting that hilarity ensued. He shared that clip with a string of laughing emojis. On the tape that day, WBD edged up 0.07%, while Bitcoin dropped 2.49% and MYT dropped 2.35%. Fast forward to 2023. The focus shifted to the Dow J and Jack Smith with claims that Mar-a-Lago security tapes were not deleted. He asked about Joe's documents in Chinatown, and accused deranged Jack of receiving bribes from China. He also brought up Hillary Clinton's a big number emails, contrasting her lack of prosecution with the current legal actions. Market-wise, AWM rose at 0.72% and SPY edged up 0.55%. In 2024, he promoted a documentary called Government Gangsters, based on Kash Patel's book, featuring red-tinted portraits of political figures. He also endorsed Andrew Bailey and Will Scharf for Missouri Attorney General. The tape showed VIXI dropping 140 rose at 0.62 and SPY rose at 5%. By 2025, he was criticizing Senator Josh Hawley for blocking a review of Nancy Pelosi's stock trading. He also announced a trade deal with South Korea, claiming they would give $350 billion for investments and purchase $100 billion in LNG. He put the tariff figure at 15 cents on the DJT rose FCO 4%, while VIXI fell 0.37 cents. And now 2026. Today he called Todd Blanche a star and a potential greatest attorney general, criticizing Cornyn and Tillis for refusing to vote for him. He also announced a historic agreement for the complete disarmament of Hamas in Gaza, calling it a milestone in his 20-point plan. He thanked mediators Egypt, Qatar and Turkey. Across these years, the subjects shift from Wyoming polls to legal threats, documentaries, trade claims, and now peace deals. But one thing never changes: the tape keeps rolling, and he keeps talking. That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping: the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.